Hello everyone, welcome again to the topic of electrical traction system. So last time we have seen the different types of the electrical locomotives that consisting of the DC system, AC system and uh, composite system. Now today we'll see the block diagram of the AC locomotives. So this one is very simple diagram for the AC locomotives that showing the different components like as the overhead contact wire, pantograph, circuit breaker, on-load tap changer, rectifier, smoothing choke, and finally the DC traction motor. So, as per our knowledge, we know that the overhead contact wires are energized from the substation. This substation are placed at different kilometers, and then this wire, whatever the voltage and current, is conducted by this pantograph at a certain limit. So we know that the circuit breaker, working of the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is used to make the circuit or break the circuit. Importantly or the mainly the circuit breakers are used to provide protection. So whenever our system receives a supply more than rated voltage, there might be a problem of short circuit or maybe a problem of the fault. So this can be removed from a circuit breaker. Now here it consisting of a transformer. So this whatever the voltage that has been conducted from a pantograph is given to our this on-load tap changer or the transformer. So this transformer is nothing but the step down transformer. This transformer reduces the voltage up to certain limit that can drive our this DC traction motor. So near about we can say that this transformer is reduces voltage up to the 300 or the 200 volt or the less than that. Now this rectifier, as we are using the DC traction motor or the DC series motor, so it is necessary to convert AC into the DC. Now this rectifier consisting of the diode and the SR. By using SR and diode, we are going to convert this our AC supply into the DC supply. Now next one is a smoothing choke. Smoothing choke is nothing but our water inductor. So why we are using this? Smoothing choke are used to smoothing this DC supply to remove the impurity. Even though there is a conversion occurs in a AC to DC, there are some still impurities are occurring in a system. So because of the impurity, whatever the function or the efficiency of the DC traction motor is reduces. So for this removing the impurities, these smoothing chokes are used. So after this smoothing choke, the supply is given to our DC traction motor, which is connected along with our wheels. So as the DC traction motor is rotated, then these wheels are also rotated. So this is the basic simple information regarding our AC locomotives. Now we'll see the different component used in our uh, system, that is the AC locomotive system. Thank you very much.